I'm Miss Renee from the Jackson branch of the Ocean County Library, and today we are going to make one of my favorite recipes. It's Harry Potter's Butterbeer. So if you're in the mood for something sweet and cold, you can make it pretty. I'm really excited to make it with you. First, what we need is cream soda. We also have a butterscotch syrup, or you can use caramel syrup. And we have a whipped cream, but you can use any kind of dairy topping, Cool Whip, or if you're really creative and want to make your own, you can do that as well. And I just have some decorations here we're going to try and make use of at the end. So this is really easy. You can make it on your own or with a parent, and it's really fun for parties too. The first thing you'll need is 1 cup of cream soda. Let's hope it doesn't explode. Okay, we're good. We need 1 cup of cream soda. So, and if you wanted to make this for more than one person, it's really easy to double the recipe. Just make sure you use a larger mixing bowl. So we have our 1 cup of cream soda in there. We need 1/2 cup of our butterscotch syrup, which is right here. This is really fun. It's going to be a little more sticky, but we're going to put, we might even put a little extra in there just because we really love butterscotch. Okay. So that's going in next. All right, so we're done with the butterscotch for now. We need 1/2 tablespoon of butter, hence the name, Butterbeer. Here we go. Okay, so 1/2 tablespoon of butter. When you have your hand mixer, we're going to put it on low, just because, especially depending on what kind of bowl you have, you don't want it to go crazy and spit stuff all over your ceiling. So here we go. And we're just going to mix that up. It's going to be nice and frothy, which is really exciting, and it looks really cute in the cup. Once everything's all blended in and looks nice and soft, you should be good to go to turn your mixer off. We have our mixture, it's nice and creamy. So first, what I like to do, just to make the glass pretty, you can just take a fork, a knife, or a spoon, take some of your caramel or your butterscotch, even if you just wanted to lay it inside your glass a little bit. It almost makes it look a little bit more like kind of like an ice cream sundae. I like to take my whipped cream, put a little bit at the bottom. I like the layered look. Okay, and then I'm actually going to take this butterbeer concoction and put it into this nice wide mouthed measuring cup, just because it has a little bit of a lip on it, so it pours nicer into your cup. So I'm gonna spread that around in there. That looks really good. Okay. I'm going to top it off with just a little bit more cream soda. And depending on how much whipped cream you like, in my family, we love a lot of whipped cream. So we're just gonna make that look really nice up top here. And this is the fun part. So you can either keep it nice and plain like this, which is delicious, or you can use some toppings and make it look like those really fancy ice cream parlor Instagram photos you're seeing right now. We have some graham cracker crust. So I'm just gonna crush that up because that's what we're going to put on first. And we're gonna open that really carefully so it doesn't spill all over the place. We're gonna put that right on top. That just looks so pretty and inviting. And once you get to the end, might give you a little extra crunch, a little different kind of flavor there. I'm going to sprinkle a couple of our butterscotch pieces right on top. Wow, that looks so pretty. And then I like colorful foods, so I'm going to put some of these pretty little pearls right on top here. This would be so fun for a kid or an adult, if you're me, birthday party or some kind of fun night. This is totally kid-friendly with its ingredients. This is what I would call a really good-looking butterbeer. So I will attempt to taste it right now and hopefully not get it all over my outfit. So we'll see how this goes. It's delicious. Thank you so much for watching today.
If you check the comments, we should have all the ingredients in there. And this is really a delicious way to kind of start or end your day. And thank you so much for coming and hanging out with us at the Ocean County Library at FanNation, and hopefully we'll see you all in person soon.